Many people assume Johnny Depp and his former lawyer Camille Vasquez were an item during the Pirates of the Caribbean star's legal face-off against his ex-wife Amber Heard in 2022. The legal dispute came about in 2018 when Heard wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post titled, "I spoke up against sexual violence and face our culture's wrath. That has to change." Depp divorced the 38-year-old a year prior to that statement, which suggested she was a victim of domestic abuse. Years passed, and they finally met again in court in April 2022, with the trial lasting 7 weeks and ultimately seeing Depp come out on top. He won all 3 cases against his former lover, who countersued him successfully and was awarded $2 million in damages, while Depp received $15 million. So that's the history of the case and how Vasquez, who initially didn't think that filing this lawsuit was a good idea, ended up defending her now 61-year-old former client. But were they ever an item? Speculation was feverish at the time, with some fans even putting clips of the pair's physical displays of intimacy in the courtroom on TikTok, with romantic music playing in the background, the Daily Mail reports. Addressing the rumors that the pair were in a relationship, she told Extra that she first heard about it through her parents, who she explained knew definitively they weren't. She said, "I would never. Let me just go on the record here. Never dated Johnny Depp. Never would date Johnny Depp. I think he's a lovely person. He's not my type." She went on to explain how she has only ever seen him on screen, maybe, once in the 2000 rom-com Chocolate, but never in Pirates, as she called it, referring to his role as Jack Sparrow. But that despite not seeing him in the cinema as often as the average Joe, she conceded, after maybe 30-40 minutes of speaking with him, I remember having an out-of-body experience and looking at him and thinking, he views the world so differently than I do. He definitely uses a different part of his brain. He's such an artist. So there you have it, while Vasquez and Depp shared an obvious connection, but they never dated.